case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1997, the Supreme Court of Missouri heard the case of Neal v. Neal, which revolved around the proper procedures for name changes and child support. Melissa J. Neal sought to restore her maiden name, change her child's surname, and receive child support after a short-lived marriage to Bruce L. Neal. Despite Bruce's denial that the marriage was irretrievably broken, the couple was granted a divorce, with custody awarded to Melissa. However, complications arose regarding the child's birth certificate, which only listed Melissa's maiden name as the child's surname and excluded Bruce's name. In the original trial court decision, Melissa's requests for the name changes and child support were denied due to the court's failure to follow proper procedures. Melissa appealed the decision, leading to the case being brought before the Supreme Court of Missouri. The court ultimately found that the trial court had made errors in its handling of the case. The trial court's decision was reversed, and the case remanded for further proceedings. As a result of the Supreme Court's decision, the trial court was directed to issue a new order regarding the name change for the child and to follow the prescribed procedures for determining child support.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.